What fuels your passion? Are you amazed at all the technology in your cell phone? Do you dream of helping people by developing advanced medical devices? Enter a world where you can work on next-generation cars and transportation systems, sustainable energy sources, adaptable robots, the Internet of Things, making sense of big data. Or send your technology into space, work with things you can't even see, figure out how the brain works, improve how we communicate and share information. Do you love math? Maybe even physics? What about computers and other electronics? Or are you just trying to figure out what to major in and want something secure and cool? Welcome to a world where you can work on things that impact people around the globe. Electrical engineering is all about information and energy. Electrical engineers control things, sense things, power things, design and build electronic devices, process signals, design computers, connect things and people, and lots more. Computer engineering will take you deeper into the study of computers and their hardware and software components. Whichever major you choose, you'll come out prepared to enter some of the hottest fields out there.
I worked for a startup called Turtle Cell here in Ann Arbor. This last summer, I was able to work at Boeing. At Boeing, I published a study on in-flight entertainment security.
My favorite internship, this past summer, I worked at a startup in Chicago. It's called Cadre Forensics. There were 4 employees, including me, which is really cool.
I'm working this summer for Viasat on their RF team. Viasat is a company that makes satellites.
The cool thing about ECE is there's a lot of different industries that you can go into where you're needed. So my first internship was actually at a nuclear power plant. The second summer, I worked at a pharmaceutical company.
Working at Google Advanced Technology and Projects, I was able to work on Project Jacquard. It's a textile capacitive sensing technology where you can touch the fabric and send information to mobile data. I was able to work on a project that's now partnered with Levi's.
Qualcomm is hiring.
But what's so great about electrical and computer engineering?
Most of the work we do has real-world applications, and we get to build things that you see in the real world today, and it's cool seeing things work, such as radios or any sort of tool we build.
I like the application part of it. You know, you get to design a circuit, you get to test it, and you get to build it. It's a lot of fun seeing when something works, and a lot of times things don't work.
I like being on the cutting edge of technology for technology that everyone uses. So I like learning about computers, phones, electronics, and I feel like that's somewhere where I can make a big impact.
I really love the whole engineering mindset of blending creativity and technical expertise in order to make something that's useful and valuable to people.
So, there you have it. ECE is a chance to change the world in a way that's uniquely you. What will the world look like in 10, 20, or even 50 years? With ECE, you decide.